I haven't done one of these in such a long time, so let's spend the day together. I literally have 5 minutes until I need to be ready, so let's get ready together. This morning I'm hosting a baking workshop. It's kind of Valentine's-y, just a bit of everything really. So we're going to be making, well actually I asked the girls, because they've been quite a few times, I asked them what they wanted to do. So we was going to do something different, but I was like, you know what, they're loyal, I'm going to ask them what they want to do. So there's 5 older girls and then there's 2 younger children. It's actually pancake day today as I'm filming this, and I thought it's a bit difficult to do everyone actual pancakes because they'll have to come into the house. So we're going to make the pancake mix in the jars, just the dry ingredients, and then they're going to decorate some tags which say other ingredients which need to go in it, which is just milk and eggs, so it's not really that much. So I didn't go to the gym this morning, and I'm going to go after with Alex, which will be nice. Hopefully it's not too busy, but it probably will be because it's half term, isn't it? I've got 3 minutes now until I need to be downstairs. Luckily I'm nearly done. This is how it looks this morning. We've got all the aprons set up, the bowls, scales, and then of course we've got my sign, and then I've got all the ingredients. So these ingredients are for the Dubai cookies. Got the knafi mixture there. Here we have mini eggs, millionaire shortbreads here, and this is the caramel that I made. And then we've got 2 ingredients there because we also need the baking powder there. And then in here, some jars with tags that I'm just about to put these stickers on. I've got about 10 minutes until everyone's meant to be arriving, so I like to come in here a bit before, just make sure everything's all done. So I'm going to quickly do that now and sort out the music. To show you guys what some of the girls have made. We've done Dubai cookies, mini egg millionaire shortbread, and these little pancake mixture jars.
My name's Florence and the cookies were my favourite, what I made.
My name is Carla and the cookies I made were my favourite.
My name's Millie and the cookies were my favourite.
My name's Matilda and my cookies were my favourite.
My name's Olivia and the shortbread was my favourite.
I have now finished my class and I've got changed because I'm going to go to the gym. When I came over, Mum said she'd done me some noodles. So I've just put in some chicken. This is my granddad's knife that he left here when we was doing pumpkin carving at Halloween, and I only just recently found it. So every time I use it now, I think of him. I'm going to sit and eat this and then we need to leave. I forgot to tell you guys, it's actually half term this week for the schools, so that is why I'm not going to the schools today and why I had children come at 9 o'clock this morning. We're in the gym, me and Alex. We're walking at the minute. Incline 12, speed 3.5. Here's how we're getting on. We was going to go on the bikes, but we couldn't get too next to each other. I can get it to work. Go do some abs after. We're going to try and do an hour on here. Let's go. Guys, pretty much nearly done it. How are you feeling now?
Tired, done.
Yeah. Nearly there.
I'm really surprised we did that.
Yeah, no, same. We've not done it yet though.
Well, in 30 seconds.
We've been just chatting the whole time. To be fair, the
gone
time has
quite
gone
quick,
quick. Yeah. But 30 seconds and then we would complete an hour. I'm home. I'm now going to go upstairs. I'm going to show you my diamond painting. Then I'm going to show you what else I bought, because I bought some more stuff for it. I always buy more stuff for my diamond painting. By the way, these are my Valentine's flowers. How lovely are they from Kai? Today on my list of things to do, I need to put some more water in here actually. I bought my first frame for my diamond paintings, specifically for this one. This one means quite a lot to me because I did it during the time that my granddad was in hospital, So I will be framing this one. I'm gonna write something on the back here, just a little message, and I'm gonna frame it. This was my first one. This was the next one. This is a shell. I love the colours on these. It's so nice. And then I finished that blue tit, I think it is. I did half of this, and then my sister finished the other half. So that one's quite a cute one. And then I did this bear. The flamingo one was from Aldi last year, the range, and then the other two are from Amazon. This is my most recent finish. This one was also from Amazon. This is the one I'm working on right now. Aperol Spritz. I'm quite the way through it now. I'm nearly done. I might do something a little bit, to be honest. Next one is from the range. It's just this little flower. I like small ones as well, so I can like do them in between the bigger ones. This is the next one, turtle. This is from the range. This one is from Aldi, like this. I thought that's quite a cute one. And then my most recent purchase, which I'm really excited to do, is this one. And I don't know if you can really see it, but it says life is what you bake it, and there's all like spatulas, rolling pins, butter, all of that. This one was from Diamond Art UK, I think. And then my recent purchases to go with it. This is from the brand Art Dot, but it was on Amazon. It's just some putty, because all I do is I just use the ones that come with the packs. But I've had this is quite good, so I've just got this. I'm intrigued to use that. I already have this, again from Art Dot as well, that I use to store all of the drills in, but I just picked up a new one which comes in a box as well, which might be a bit better than carrying it around like this. So yeah, that is my diamond painting collection. I thought you guys might be intrigued, because I know a few people are definitely intrigued on TikTok. Now I've done this, I'm now going to probably sit and do some diamond painting. It is 4:28. I finished oiling my hair at 4:04. I've already finished these two sections, so I'm definitely going to finish this one. I just don't understand why it's going so fast, but it is. Okay, I'm finishing this last bit here, and then I'm done. So I thought we could do it together. Last one. Boom. Guys, what do you think of my latest diamond painting that I've literally just finished? I'm surprising Kai by going over to his. At the minute he thinks I'm not coming, but I'm coming, and because it's pancake day, I'm going to bring around some stuff, because I know that he doesn't have a lot, because his house is an ingredient household. I'm going to bring this, I'm going to bring that one, and I haven't found a lid for this. I lost the lid. Oreo. And now it's time to go, because it is nearly 6 o'clock. I have a feeling that Kai knows, but we're going to see. We're going to go in now and see, but he messaged me and said that he guessed that I wouldn't come or something, because he made a joke and said maybe pick some stuff up for the pancakes and bring them round. And I said that I told him I wasn't going. Then he messaged me on messages and said, how long are you going to be? We're going to see what goes down when I go inside. Ah! Just major baited myself out. He's going to be hiding from me.
Hello everyone.
Did you know that I was coming?
Yeah, because you messaged me and then you didn't reply, so I looked at the location and it was paused.
You got me good there, I won't lie.
I know.
Look, I bought you
What's that for?
pancakes! What we're going to do for dinner?
Pancake day!
No, we can't have pancakes for dinner though.
Oh, we'll go on then.
What? What are you doing?
Speed over quality. Oh no. Oh,
That quality is rubbish.
they're kissing.
It's probably already cooked. Yeah, look, see? Look what he's just done. Put it on the other flipping pancake. Have to move it. Separate.
1.5 pancakes.
I mean, who does that? I've just got home. It's 10:30 and I'm tired. There's Dad. And I'm probably going to go to bed very soon. I accidentally forgot to film after I got in, but all I did was pretty much speak to my dad for a bit and my mum, and then got ready for bed and went to bed. That was it. I was so tired. But anyways, guys, that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!